I'm making a short video to demonstrate how this wonderful vintage Reuge musical automaton pocket watch works. I'll set the camera down. Everything's already fully wound. I'm going to advance the time and we can hear the music play and watch the automation. So the woman pumps the pump, water flows into the basin, the horse bows down to take a drink of water, and the hunter raises his arm with the falcon in hand. I'm going to wind it up some more. I'm going to advance the time again and it'll stop. There's also a button on the back that allows you to listen to the music and watch the automation on demand. It's right here. I'm going to press that button now. You can see it works as it's supposed to. In summary, it's a wonderful musical automaton pocket watch in very nice condition with its original presentation case and winding key. Take care.